Hello. Are you the taxi driver?
Yes, I am. Where would you like to go?
Are you available now?
Yes, I am ready to take you.
Can you take me to my hotel?
Certainly. What is the hotel name?
Wow, how long will the trip take?
It should take about 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
How much will the fare be?
It will cost around $35.
Can you help me with my luggage?
Of course. I'll put your bags in the trunk.
I have 2 suitcases. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfectly fine.
Is this the official airport taxi?
Yes, it is an official airport taxi.
Can I sit in the back seat?
Certainly. Please make yourself comfortable.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, I accept both credit cards and cash.
Actually, can I pay in cash?
Yes, that's absolutely fine.
Could you turn on the meter, please?
Sure, I'll turn it on right away.
Is there much traffic today?
Not too much. We should arrive on time.
Can you drive a little faster?
I'll drive safely while keeping a good speed.
Could you stop at an ATM on the way?
Yes, no problem. I'll stop at the nearest ATM.
Wow, is the airport always this busy?
Yes, especially during the morning and evening.
Can you recommend a good restaurant near my hotel?
Sure, I know a few excellent places nearby.
Are we almost there?
Yes, we're only about 5 minutes away.
Thank you for the safe ride.
You're very welcome. I'm glad to help.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a wonderful stay and enjoy your trip.
Where are you going today?
I am going to London today.
Why are you at the airport?
Well, I am here to catch my flight.
What time is your flight?
Let me see. My flight is at 10:30 this morning.
Which airline are you flying with?
Oh, I am flying with Emirates.
Do you have your passport?
Of course. I have my passport with me.
Do you have your boarding pass?
Yes, sure. I have my boarding pass on my phone.
Are you traveling alone?
Actually, yes. I am traveling alone this time.
Is this your first flight?
Wow, yes! This is my first flight and I am very excited.
How many bags do you have?
Let's see. I have one suitcase and one backpack.
How early did you arrive at the airport?
Well, I arrived about 2 hours before my flight.
Are you excited about your trip?
Absolutely! I am very excited about my trip.
Who are you traveling with?
Oh, I am traveling with my family.
Is your flight on time?
Luckily, yes. My flight is on time.
Where are you sitting on the plane?
I am sitting by the window. No thanks, I can manage by myself.
Do you
Are you
need any
carrying
help? Any food?
Yes, I have some snacks in my bag.
How long is your flight?
As far as I know, my flight is about 6 hours long.
What are you going to do after you arrive?
First, I am going to check into my hotel.
Do you enjoy traveling by plane?
Definitely, I enjoy traveling by plane because it is fast and comfortable.
Why are you standing in line?
I am waiting for the security check.
Do you have your boarding pass ready?
Yes, I have it ready on my phone.
Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here is my passport.
Are you carrying any liquids?
Yes, I have a small bottle of water.
Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I packed them myself.
Are you carrying any sharp objects?
No, I am not carrying any sharp objects.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I have a laptop in my backpack.
Please place your bag on the scanner.
Okay, I will put it on the scanner.
Please remove your shoes.
No problem, I will take them off.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
Yes, I have my phone and some keys.
Please walk through the scanner.
Sure, I am walking through now.
Did the scanner beep?
No, everything is fine.
Do you need a pat-down inspection?
No, I don't think so.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it is my bag.
Did security open your suitcase?
No, they did not open it.
How long did the security check take?
It took about 10 minutes.
Are you carrying any prohibited items?
I am not carrying any prohibited items.
Can you open your backpack, please?
Of course, I will open it now.
Are you ready to go to your gate?
Yes, I am ready now.
How was the security check?
It was quick and easy.
How is your flight going?
It's going very well so far.
Are you comfortable in your seat?
Yes, my seat is very comfortable.
Did the plane take off on time?
Yes, it took off right on time.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I would like some orange juice.
Are you feeling hungry?
Yes. I am ready for a meal.
What did you order to eat?
I ordered chicken with rice.
Is the food good?
Yes, it tastes really delicious.
Are you watching a movie?
Yes, I am watching an action movie.
Are you listening to music?
Yes, I am listening to my favorite songs.
Did you bring a book to read?
Of course, I brought an interesting book.
Is the flight smooth?
Luckily, yes, the flight is very smooth.
Are you afraid of flying?
Actually, no. I enjoy flying.
Can you see the clouds from your window?
Wow, the view of the clouds is amazing.
Have you spoken to the passenger next to you?
Yes, we had a nice conversation.
Do you need a blanket?
Yes, please. It's a little cold.
Is your phone turned off?
Yes, it is on airplane mode.
How much time is left before landing?
Let me check. About 1 hour is left.
Are you feeling sleepy?
Yes, I think I will take a short nap.
What are you going to do after the plane lands?
First, I will collect my luggage.
Do you enjoy traveling by airplane?
Absolutely. It is one of my favorite ways to travel.